Richard Gutierrez's life in the public eye has been as marked by controversy as it has been by fame, with his personal relationships and legal battles often drawing as much attention as his work on screen. One of the most widely discussed chapters in his life began with the breakdown of his long-term relationship with Sara Labadi. After more than a decade together, their separation became public in 2024, sparking widespread speculation fueled by their absence from each other's social media and public events. By early 2025, Richard confirmed that annulment proceedings were underway. The situation quickly became more complicated when he was seen with Barbie Imperial, leading to accusations that she had been involved before the marriage ended. Richard firmly denied this, stating that their relationship only began after his separation, and the two eventually went public in January 2026. Around the same time, tensions appeared to surface between families, particularly involving his mother, Annabelle Rama, whose cryptic social media posts intensified public speculation about behind-the-scenes conflict. Beyond his personal life, Richard also faced serious legal scrutiny. In 2017, the Bureau of Internal Revenue, Philippines, filed a tax evasion complaint against him and his company, alleging millions in unpaid taxes and document irregularities. The case attracted significant media coverage, raising questions about his financial dealings. However, in 2019, the Department of Justice, Philippines, dismissed the charges due to insufficient evidence and procedural lapses. Earlier, in 2009, he had also been involved in a tragic car accident that led to the death of his production assistant, Norman Pardo. The incident resulted in a prolonged legal process, including a reinstated charge of reckless imprudence resulting in homicide, which remained a sensitive and controversial part of his history. Despite these challenges, Richard Gutierrez's career has endured, rooted in a legacy that began long before the controversies. Born on January 21, 1984, in Beverly Hills, California, as Richard Christian Rama Gutierrez, he grew up in one of the Philippines' most prominent show business families. His father, Eddie Gutierrez, was a celebrated matinee idol, while his mother, Annabelle Rama, became a powerful figure in talent management. Surrounded by fame from an early age, Richard entered the entertainment industry as a child actor in the late 1980s, often appearing alongside his twin brother, Raymond Gutierrez. His childhood was split between the United States and the Philippines, giving him a bicultural upbringing. He attended Beverly Hills High School during his time in the U.S. before completing his secondary education at De La Salle Santiago Zobel School in Alabang, where he was actively involved in sports such as basketball, golf, and tennis. Though he initially considered pursuing business studies, his path ultimately remained tied to the entertainment world. Richard's career evolved steadily from child star to one of Philippine television's most recognizable leading men. After a brief hiatus for his studies, he returned to prominence in the early 2000s under GMA Network, where he earned the title Fantaserie King through roles in high-profile fantasy dramas like Mulawin, Sugo, and Captain Barbell. His popularity extended beyond acting into hosting, including his stint on Survivor Philippines. Following his departure from GMA in 2013, he explored freelance opportunities and reality television, notably appearing in the family-centered show It Takes Guts to be a Gutierrez. By 2017, he had transitioned to ABC-SBN, where he embraced more mature and complex roles, including antagonistic characters in La Luna Sangre and FPJ's Ang Provinciano. His later projects, such as The Iron Heart and Incognito 2025, reinforced his image as a leading action star capable of adapting to the changing landscape of Philippine entertainment. Off-screen, Richard's personal life has remained a constant topic of interest. His relationship with Sara Lahbati began in 2012, eventually leading to a civil marriage in 2020 and the birth of their two sons, Zion and Kai. Even after their separation, both have emphasized co-parenting as a priority. Before this, he had been linked to several high-profile figures, including Ann Curtis, Georgina Wilson, and Jewel Mish, reflecting his long-standing presence within celebrity circles. Financially, while exact figures remain undisclosed, his wealth is widely believed to come from decades of acting, endorsements, and business ventures, including his involvement in Our Guts Production Corp. And hospitality projects. He also benefits from being part of the influential Gutierrez family, whose collective legacy in Philippine entertainment spans generations. Through triumphs and controversies alike, Richard Gutierrez's story is one of resilience within a life lived under constant public scrutiny, a narrative shaped by legacy, fame, and the enduring complexities of both career and personal life.